How to track your trading history on Gemini. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account if you haven't already. Next, tap on the activity button located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you will find the detailed transaction history including all buy, sell, convert, deposit and withdrawal activities. You can filter your history by date, asset or transaction type to review specific trades and manage your portfolio efficiently. This feature is perfect for tracking your performance, checking fees, and keeping a record of all your crypto transactions. Additionally, reviewing your transaction history regularly can help you make better trading decisions and monitor your investment growth over time. Gemini's Activity tab ensures transparency and gives you a clear overview of all your crypto activities in one place. Now you know how to track your trading history on Gemini. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.